The 12-hour Bandh called by the BJP on Thursday to protest against the steep hike in prices of petrol was by and large a success in the state. In spite of the Chief Minister's assurance that the Bandh would be peaceful, however, several incidents were witnessed of BJP activists forcing shop owners to shut down their premises. Public and private vehicles too were not spared from the wrath of the BJP activists who were seen in the capital city and other parts of the state, making sure that their higher-ups' diktat was a success. Although the Bharatiya Janata Party claimed that the Bandh was voluntary, however, it was noticed that BJP activists actually forced shop owners to shut down their premises in Panjim, which affected them to gain a profit in the tourist season. A majority of the shops in the capital city were closed along with government offices. Even Panjim market was completely shut down for the day. Barring a few, many eateries too closed their shutters, making it difficult for the common man to find a good eatery joint for afternoon lunch. Though there wasn't any revenue generated for the day, motorcycle pilots gave the Bandh a green signal.
लोक म्हणता की आमचे जो भाव आहा ते म्हणता हे सायडीन भाडें घेवन वचनाका ती सायडीन भाडें घेवन वचनाका कलांगूटच्यान वचनाका थिंगा युनियनाचे हे आहा म्हणून तेका लागून आमी भिवन वचना खंयच
वचपाकूच जाय आनी सगळ्या लोकांनी तेजो ओपोज करपाकूच जाय असं आमचें म्हणणें आहा. ही म्हारगाय खंय पावलेली आहा न्हू ते लोकांच्या आमच्या हाल्या मनशांनी पोट भरपाचें उरोंक ना आतां. पेट्रोल आतां कितले पावले 7 रुपया पेट्रोल वाडून आमकां पोट भरपाचें आसा. आमचो टॅक्सीचो धंदो आसा पेट्रोल घालपाचें काय आमी पोट भरपाचें काय आमी पेट्रोलूच घालत रावपाचें.
While many daily wage workers were blocked by the BJP spokesperson Govind Parvatkar, with support of the City of the Corporation of Panjim councillors and BJP workers at Pato Bridge, the police however managed to arrive on time to clear the traffic, but were not able to arrest any activists who were involved in the road blockade. BJP activists were also seen closing private banks in the capital. Though the Chief Minister claimed that he would not indulge in any type of violence during Bandh,
someone does not want to participate, that is his choice. Government is bound to give protection. Government will protect. Bandh cannot be violent. Kaichi political party so. Violence will not be tolerated. That is very clear. त्यामुळे कोण बंद करता त्यांनी voluntary request केलो जाल्यार that is a different issue.
he however failed to keep a tab on the BJP activists who forced the people to partake in the Bandh.
My dear, you tell me how are you gaining by keeping this closed? I agree. I am fully for protest. I am protesting against the petrol price. I am ready to sign any more memorandum. I am also. I am talking nicely.
Are you because or no?
Yeah. I am with everybody.
No argument, no issue.
Correct. All my staff that have not come to work, are you going to pay their daily salaries? How are they bringing bread on the table? How are they getting dinner? It is a daily.
Some workers also argued with petrol pump owners in the capital, forcing them to shut down petrol pumps. Only one restaurant that was provided with police protection opened in the city. A number of police personnel were deployed at various corners in and around the capital city to maintain law and order. Even the Panjim bus stand wore a deserted look, as most of the private buses were off-road, even as the state government had made elaborate arrangements for Kadamba buses plying on various city routes to take care of the locals. Locals who used to take the bus for commuting long distances faced difficulties as they were made to wait for hours together at the Panjim bus stand.
मार्केटिंग करायला येतो मी पूर्ण गोव्यामध्ये 5-6 दिवस माझे विजिट असतात. पण आता इथे ट्रान्सपोर्टचा प्रॉब्लेम असा आहे. बंद आहे पण म्हटलं ट्रान्सपोर्टचा काय ते डिझेलचा थोडी प्रॉब्लेम आहे, पेट्रोलचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. पणजीमध्ये मी आता पूर्ण मार्केटमध्ये आलो, मला ऑटो पण मिळालं नाही आज चालून आलोय.
Buses comes there should be more than 100 people standing for the bus to go to Margaon. But then they are not following. They say that the bus will come. Let us see.
In Talegaon, BJP activists claimed that the response to the Bandh was 100% success, without forcing anybody to shut shop. But it was noticed that one of the BJP supporters forced coconut vendors to close down their gadas.
म्हणजे लोकांनी विलिंगली आपल्या खुशेन हे बंद केला. हाजे वयल्यान दिसता की प्रत्येक कॉमन मॅन कंटाळलेलो आसा आनी हाजो रिजल्ट लोकसभा येणाऱ्या 2014 इलेक्शनाक दिसतलो.